Introducing Writing Time. Your adventure begins. Look up, around, and down. Students come to school to make their brains stronger. Your brain gets stronger when you share adventures. You can share adventures with pictures, and you can share adventures with words. Some adventures are big, like hiking a mountain, and some adventures are small, like finding a ladybug. When you tell your adventure, it has a beginning, middle, and end. These parts help you tell it in the right order. In the beginning, look back to your adventure and where it first began. Close your eyes and picture it. Focus if you can. Look down. Was the ground a grassy field, soft beneath your feet? Or was it a hardwood floor where shoes could tap a beat? Look down. Was the ground a warm sandy beach stretching to the sea? Or was it crunchy snow beneath your boots near the roots of a tree? Look around. Were there painted walls with pictures hanging high? Or were there shelves and tables all around as you walked nearby? Look around. Were you outside with raindrops falling in the air? Did you see flowers, rocks, or trees growing everywhere? Look up. Were there fluffy clouds floating through the sky? Or was it dark with the moon and stars twinkling way up high? Look up. Was there a ceiling fan with lights shining bright? Or were there colorful hanging decorations floating in your sight? When you remember where you started, look up, around, and down. Those details help you draw and write everything once found. Now it's your turn to write. It's your turn to draw. It's your turn to remember what you saw. Where did your adventure begin? Look up, around, and down. Share where your story started and what was found.
Thanks for watching Kinder Romp. Hey teachers, looking for ready-to-use resources that match this video? Head over to my Teachers Pay Teachers store, Kinder Romp. Check out the link in the description below.